And I used to only sing like this. That's the only type of singing I really knew how to do. I have a secret. Did you know that your speaking voice is the exact same voice as your singing voice? It's very true. Unfortunately, when a lot of people sing, they add a bunch of stuff to their voice. They'll go like, I want your loving and I want your revenge, you and me. So here I'm like doing a thing. Or they might go, I want your loving and I want your revenge. Hear how it was like nasally? You hear how I did that? Or they might go, I want your loving and I want... See, I was doing kind of a thing in all of those. Well, what if you just tried singing it in your speaking voice? What? I'm serious. But most people won't do it. They'll still add a thing. Are you adding a thing? All right. So here's what it looks like. I want your love and I want your revenge. Are those the words? I want your love and I want your revenge. Did it sound exactly like the way I talk? No. Obviously, I was singing. I wasn't talking. But I didn't add any of that or I just tried to keep it simple. It's so easy, it's hard. A common reason people do this is they overdo the warm-ups and they over-sing. Sometimes people aren't doing the right warm-ups for the type of singing that they're doing. If you're doing a warm-up that's but you're trying to sing is not the right warm-up. You want to do a warm-up that is similar to what you're singing. You can even take the warm-up, but make it match the type of singing you're doing. In that type of singing, more speaky singing, we want to keep it in our mixy, chesty voice. We want to keep it similar to our speaking voice. So let's try to do that exercise in our speaking voice. That's very different from You might find that you're over-singing in your warm-ups or you're using a different type of singing in your warm-ups that's misinforming your singing. I also see a lot of people overdoing warm-ups to the point where they tense up before they even start singing the song. Anyway, it took me like 1 billion years to figure that out. Like 1 billion years. And I really wish anyone told me that. You know, it took me some random voice teacher to tell me that singing was basically talking, like a decade into my singing journey. I've been teaching for 10 years, but I've been singing my whole life. And I used to only sing like this. That's the only type of singing I really knew how to do. So when I tried to sing, I stay out too late, got nothing in my brain, that's what people say, that's what people say. It would sound like this. I stay out too late, got nothing in my brain, that's what people say. I didn't really know how to use my speaking voice for singing. Anyway, I don't want you to spend a bunch of time trying to figure that out on your own. So feel free to sign up for a voice lesson with me at oliviapeck.com or my next workshop. I'd love to see you there. We've got a great singing community on the Facebook group. All the links are in the description. Remember, take care of yourself and each other. Bye! Happy singing!